Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So I've made corn dogs on my channel before, but I've seen so many recipes on how to make Korean corn dogs. They look so good. I think I want to give it a try, so that's what I'm going to do. So if you want to see how they all turned out, keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me thank all of my new subscribers, and don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. I've been wanting to make these corn dogs for a long time, and today is the day. So I'm going to go ahead and add a package of active dry yeast to a cup of lukewarm water. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. And just give it a quick stir and just set it to the side for a couple of minutes, and it's going to foam up, and that's when you know the yeast is activated. And now I'm going to put together the dough that's going to wrap around the corn dog, and in the dish I'm going to add 1 3/4 cup of flour and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. So I needed to switch to a container with a lid, and I'll tell you why in a couple of minutes. So my yeast has been activated, and you can tell by looking at the foam right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the flour mixture. And just take a spoon and mix it together until it's fully incorporated into the flour. Now once it's mixed, you can put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for an hour. But the reason I switched it to another container was that I was going to let it sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours. So now is the time to upgrade your glasses, you guys. So if you've never heard of Firmoo, and let me thank them first off for collaborating with me, but it is an online optical store, and just look at all the many different styles. They have both eyeglasses and sunglasses, prescriptions if you need them, and also a great selection for the kids. And I just recently got my new pair of glasses in the mail, and I could not be more happier. They are lightweight and I absolutely love them. And if you're curious, this is the style and the serial number of my glasses. But not only are they affordable, you guys, but click down at that description box and use my 50% discount code and get yourself a beautiful pair of new glasses. So there are so many different varieties of Korean corn dogs that I've noticed, but the one that I really wanted to make was the one that had potatoes coated on the outside. I'm also using Cajun style DELISH sausage and also some mozzarella cheese. So instead of peeling some potatoes, I'm going to go ahead and take a shortcut and just chop around 2½ cups of French fries. I'm done chopping up all of my potatoes, and now I'm going to coat them with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can definitely use flour if that's all you have, but the cornstarch is what's going to create that crispy texture. Today I'm only going to make 4 corn dogs, and what I'm going to do is just take 2 sausages out of the package and just take a knife and just cut them in half. And it's going to create 4 pieces. And these are the ones I'm going to use, because then I'm going to take this mozzarella cheese and then I'm going to cut 4 wedges of cheese, and then I'm going to use that along with the sausages. So let's start making some corn dogs. So you're going to need 4 skewers. So first I'm going to add one of the sausages down the skewer, halfway down the skewer, and follow it up with a wedge of mozzarella cheese. Okay, so these are my 4 skewers. Now let's take a look at the dough that's been rising overnight. And this is what it looks like. It actually doubled in size, and it actually has a sticky consistency. Okay, so now let's start putting together these Korean corn dogs. These are the potatoes that I prepped earlier, and I'm also going to use some panko breadcrumbs. And again, it's just going to create that crunch that we really love. Okay, so take a skewer and roll it around in the dough, making sure that it's completely covered. And then cover the dough with some of the chopped potatoes. And at the end, just coat it with the panko breadcrumbs. So these are what my corn dogs are looking like. They look so cool. And right now I'm just gonna let them chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I took my corn dogs out of the refrigerator, and now I'm gonna heat up some vegetable oil up to 350 degrees and carefully add a corn dog into the hot oil, and you wanna fry them around 5 minutes on all sides or until they're golden brown. So I'm done frying up all of my corn dogs, and you guys, they look so good. And the last thing I'm going to do is, while they're hot, I'm going to add some sugar to a plate and just roll them around. Just making sure that they're coated really good on all sides. Now honestly, you guys, I wasn't quite sure how these were going to turn out, but I have to say they actually turned out really good. But I made one for my mom, and I wasn't really sure if she was going to like it or not because she's kind of a picky eater, but she had a bite and she finished the entire thing. Did not leave one crumb. The andouille sausage had like a spicy kick to it, and look at the mozzarella cheese. Look how it melted, and look how delicious that looks. Oh my gosh. And the crunchy potatoes on the outside and the sweetness from the sugar. So good, you guys. You have to give it a try. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and it will help my channel out a whole lot. Share this video with somebody you know, especially if they love Korean corn dogs. They are really good. Let them know that. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But wait, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.